Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. We are here in Benalmadena, Sea Life Benalmadena. Kaso nga lang guys, wala yung dolphin kasi under renovation daw yung dolphin area. Ayan yung flamingo. This is the anong pangalan? Ito yung yung sea lion. Oh, there. Ayan. Here, that's the park. What is here? This is the monkeys. Monkey. Wala naman yung mga turtle dito. Ayan yung park at saka yung cafeteria. Meron ding magandang kalachuchi. Come on, I don't know what is this.
Capybara?
Ayan yung kanyang pangalan, Perito de la Pradera de la Cola Negra. Oh, look, is a lot of fish. Ayan yung crocodile nila guys. Oh, nakatulog. Ayan po, oh, crocodile. Oh, yung turtle.
Turtle.
Ayun yung crocodile, oh. Papasok tayo dito sa loob, guys.
Iguana. Guys, iguana. Where?
Ayan yung kaliskis ng guys. Punta tayo sa sa penguin. Oh. Yan, papasok tayo dito sa Isla de Hielo Island. Ayan. Daming tao guys. Ayan, nalabas na kami guys kasi ayaw nila dito sa may penguin. Salamat po guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog.